Hey folks, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are actually going to be doing a Halloween skeleton look for Halloween. My sister put me up to this. She said that I can body this, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna take the challenge. I watched a couple YouTube videos. As you can see, there's one playing in the background, and I said to myself, and myself said, I said, you think you can do this? I said, So this is actually my second attempt at doing this. I did it already before, and I don't know, for whatever odd reason, I didn't like the way it came out, even though my sister loved it. So I said to myself, let me go ahead and try it one more time and do something a little bit different from the first video. If you happen to like what you see so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can get notified on all the things fledgling. Anyway, let's get back to this video. So here, as you can see, I'm trying to outline my skeleton eyes and how I want it to look. I kept messing up, which is okay because nothing in the creativity world is perfect. You have to practice until you get it right. But yeah, here I am just sculpting out where I want to have my skeleton. It's not a full circle, it's like a carved kind of circle. Hook. It looks like a hook. It looks like a hook. That's what it looks like, a hook. Anyway, so I'm just going up against my jawline here, so I know where the placement of everything that I want, where exactly I want it to be. And I was excited that I actually got this part right, and I'm not even halfway done. This took me a long time to do, a very long time to do. But I'm glad I was able to pull it off the way I did. See the excitement. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the video and jump in every once in a while just to describe, I guess, what I'm doing. Like for right here, right now, I'm just trying to draw out how I want my nose to look. And I actually got this palette from Walmart. It's a painting palette. I can't remember the name of it, but I bought two with a bunch of different colors because I'm like, I want to try so much stuff with it. So yeah, and I think I only paid, I don't think I paid $1 to $3 for that, honestly. But you would have to ask Walmart about their prices. I don't know. You know, today's prices ain't tomorrow's prices, so I can't help you with that. So right here, I'm just shading in the rest and going over that line again because I want it to look super duper dark and not as faded as the one I did the first time. I'm filling in my nose here as well. And you're just gonna see me go back and forth with the trying to make it look darker, trying to make it look pop, like trying to make it pop more. I also realized with the eyes, with the gems that I ended up putting out or putting on, I didn't really need to do all the outline that I did on my face, but I forgot that the gem actually covers up all of that. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going back in to make sure all the stuff is darkened, and then I'm going to fill in my eyes, or where I want my eyes to be placed, my sunken eyes to be placed. Alright, here I am using that black paint to try to do a cut crease look. And it came out pretty alright. I tried to, I think where I messed up at, the girl that the video that I was watching, she used lip gloss to put on her glitter, and I did too, and the glitter just kept falling off, so it looked horrible. I should just use the lash glue, but I was like, I didn't want to put anything that was going to be hard to take off, so I said, let me do the lip gloss. But other than that, this cut crease came out pretty well. I used the Beats by Deb to shade the black with some blues because that is definitely my favorite color. So that's what you see me doing right here. Okay, so as you can see here, I put the glitter on. I did that off camera, silly me, but like I said, it was super duper nice when I first put it on, but then as I kept finishing up my face, it just kept falling off and falling off and falling off, and I had to keep putting on more and more and more. But yeah, it is what it is. So here I am shading in my sunken eyes with some more of uh, Beats by Deb blue. I can't even remember the name of the eyeshadow actually, but it was a blue eyeshadow. Um, I'm just trying to finish up this look and make it look more glam skeleton-ish, I'm guessing. Okay, so here I am darkening up my lips so I can go in and make these teeth pop, because the last time I felt like it just did not pop at all and I was just doing way too much. So here's the process of me getting the gems and then outlining my lips so that I know where exactly to place those gems. Yeah, this look came out so, this look is dope. I could have just, honestly, I could have put on my wig and left it just like that without the gems, and I would have been satisfied, honestly, because it just came out that pretty. I was just like, ooh, this is nice. Ooh, girl, maybe you should be somebody's MUA. Soik. Listen, I watch a lot of YouTube channels just to make sure I'm perfecting what I'm doing, because if it was just me on my own, child, no way. Alright, so I got this blue wig on Amazon. I actually did a video on her sister, which was a 1B, about maybe 2 weeks ago, at the beginning of this month, I can't remember. So go check that out. I got her in the blue and I was just like, oh yeah, this is gonna go good with this makeup look. So, alright guys. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This thing is looking pretty good. I need to cut and form her a little bit, but other than that, I love the way she came out. I actually like this style better than what I did before, and I just was able to take my time and really just put it together the way I wanted to. And she is, who is she? Me? She, me? Looking good. And the last time I wasted so much time beating my face and then putting on, I didn't even need to do all that. All I had to do was foundation, my eyebrows, and then everything else. And yeah, she came out good. Do I look scary enough to y'all? Anyway, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would get notified. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think. Did I do that, or should I trash that? I think I did that, but I want to know what you think. Let me know. Ooh, she is fire. Let me know, please. Let me know. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Happy Halloween. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.